We find our science activities and experiments fun to use. We always take proper safety precautions when performing science experiments and activities. Solution shall not be held responsible for any damages as a result of any activities contained within this channel. It is recommended that all science experiments and activities be used only under adult supervision. Adults should handle or assist with the chemicals. Permanent markers have become a must-have in any domestic household or office. Many like to mark essential items in the kitchen or office with a Sharpie, but a Sharpie stain can be a nuisance. Keep watching this video to find out the ways to remove these marks. Removing marker from wood. You have marked wood with permanent marker and now you're looking for how to get rid of permanent marker from wood. You have tried to wipe the mark with tissue paper, but you failed to do so. Here's a simple method that you can follow to remove the mark. Pour nail polish remover onto a tissue paper and wipe over the marks. Acetone-based nail polish remover can remove the permanent marker stains from the wood by dissolving them. At the end, you'll get a stain-free wood. Removing marker from plastic. Next, mark plastic bottle with a permanent marker and try to wipe it using a tissue paper. It will not be removed. To remove permanent marker from the plastic, try out this method. Apply toothpaste directly onto the surface of the plastic bottle and rub it using a tissue paper. The mark is getting faint. It needs some effort to remove the mark completely. Apply little more paste onto the mark and rub it again. The mark will be removed completely and the bottle will become like there was no mark on it. Removing marker from whiteboard. Write any word, maybe an alphabet S on the whiteboard. Try to remove it using a tissue paper, but I guess it's not going to work. Now try a hand sanitizer. Pour it on the surface of the whiteboard and rub it with a tissue paper. Hand sanitizer contains isopropyl alcohol as a main component. It is organic in nature, therefore it will dissolve organic component of the ink. Keep rubbing until you get a clean surface without the mark. Removing marker from glass. Now try to remove the mark from the glass. Draw a shape on the glass with a permanent marker. It will not be removed by just rubbing a tissue paper on it. To remove it, you need a magic paste. For magic paste, you need a toothpaste that will work okay at lifting permanent marker and baking soda. Toothpaste contains abrasive like sodium fluoride and sodium lauryl sulfate that are active cleansers. Baking soda is a must-have ingredient in tons of homemade household cleaners, but it can be an effective stain remover too. Mix both toothpaste and baking soda. After mixing, take this paste on a tissue paper and then apply it on the glass. Rub the paste on the glass gently. Mark of permanent marker will be wiped completely. So what is the chemistry behind this? Permanent marker ink is made of organic dyes and solvents like alcohols. These marker stains can be removed by high pressure cleaning and using organic solvents. Organic solvents like acetone and isopropyl alcohol dissolves organic component and make the marks to wipe out easily. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.